Hi everyone, today we are going to make panjiri. Panjiri is a wonderful snack full of energy, highly nutritional, and it is best for new moms because it helps boosting milk supply. It is rich nutrition and it is kid friendly and also helps in soothing joint pains for the elderly, and it is known as superfood because it is anti-inflammatory. Other than that, it helps in improving our immunity, and it is also helpful in curing cold, and hence it is known as a winter delicacy. So let's get started. So here I'm taking a bunch of dry fruits. We have dates, cashew nuts, pistachio, raisins. You can take golden or black raisins, walnuts, and almonds. All of these are 100 grams each. Along with that, we are taking 100 grams of gond, 50 grams of kamarkas, 100 grams of pumpkin seeds, 50 grams of melon seeds, and 100 grams of phul makhana, and 50 grams of coconut. Now we are going to fry all of these dry fruits in pure ghee. So you can use any brand of pure ghee, and at the end we are going to add 100 grams of jaggery. So before I start frying, I prefer chopping the coconut into small pieces, or you can take the ready-made chopped ones, and we are going to take the fresh cardamom pieces. So let's get started. I'm taking a kadai in which I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let the ghee melt. Once the ghee is hot, we are going to add the gond. We have to keep frying the gond until it turns fluffy. It's better to fry gond on medium to high flame because it helps in making the gond fluffy in a quick way. So it's fluffy now, so I'm going to take it out. Now we will reduce the flame to medium, and we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then we are going to fry phul makhana. We are going to fry the phul makhana until it starts changing its color. You can see that the color is changing now. It started changing, and the best way to find is to press the phul makhana, and if it turns crunchy, then it is done. Now in the same kadai, we are going to add 1 more tablespoon of ghee and going to fry raisins. The raisins should turn fluffy, and that is the right sign of perfect frying of raisins. You can see it started getting fluffy, so we will keep stirring the raisins until entire gets fluffy. So it's done. Now we are going to add 1 more tablespoon of ghee, and we are going to fry cashew nuts. We are going to fry cashew nuts until they change their color to either pink or to light golden. Now you can see the color change, so I will take it out. Now again I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and I'm going to fry almonds. As I said before, again we are going to fry this until they change their color. So you can see the color of the almonds start changing. So now we can take it out, and then again we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee and going to fry walnuts. The walnuts color also changes to golden brown, and once it is golden brown you can take it out. And now we are going to fry pistachio. The pistachio color also started changing, so we are going to take it out. And now we are going to add 1 more tablespoon of ghee, and we are going to fry the dates. Now we are going to fry the coconut, and the coconut need to turn to golden, you can see. So once it is turned to golden, you can take it out. And now we are going to fry the seeds. We will combine all the seeds, that is pumpkin seeds and melon seeds. And we are going to lightly fry the seeds. You don't need to fry much. And we are going to give some heat to the kamarkas. You don't need to fry kamarkas a lot. You just need to make it hot. That's it. So now our seeds and kamakas is also done, and you can see all our dry fruits are ready, all perfectly fried in very limited quantity of ghee. And now we are going to take out some solid pieces of these dry fruits for decoration in a separate bowl. So here I have taken it out in a separate bowl, and I have taken a big utensil to mix all of these dry fruits. After mixing these dry fruits, we are going to grind this mixture coarsely. That is, not so thin, not so thick. It should be in a moderate level. And after grinding the mixture, we are going to, you can see the grinded mixture, we are going to add jaggery to this mixture. So to add jaggery, we are going to take 1 tablespoon of ghee, and to this ghee we are going to add the jaggery, and we will keep frying it until the jaggery starts melting. Now you can see that the jaggery started melting, so I'm going to add this fresh cardamom powder. This gives a special aroma as well as taste to the dish. And we are going to melt the jaggery completely. And if you're making laddu or the balls, you can slowly add the jaggery one by one, or if you want to add all of it together, then you can do even that way. So I'm adding the jaggery now. So our delicious panjiri is ready, the panjiri mixture. You can either keep as a mixture, or you can also make balls or laddu out of this, and you can store it like in a jar, either in a form of balls or laddu or in a form of a mixture. I personally store this mixture in a glass jar with an airtight cap, that is airtight container is best. And the shelf life of this container, if you're storing it at room temperature, is around 3 months. But if you're storing the container in refrigerator, then the shelf life is around 6 months. So you can take this early morning, 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon max, with milk or without milk, and it is one of the superfood, best for also improving your low libido. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.